Hey guys, it's Felicia. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, welcome. I know this is a very different setting. I'm actually at my college right now and I'm just in this little studio filming. So let me know in the comments below if you guys watch Produce X101's variety show, music show. If you guys haven't already, please subscribe. It would really help me out. Give this video a thumbs up. Remember, this is the explanation part of this tutorial where I will be teaching you guys step by step. If you guys want the music section, go ahead and click up there. I will also link it in the description box below where I go 75, 90, and full speed. And as per usual, don't forget that this video is mirrored, and let's get started. Okay, so first step, we're going to be like Iron Man, okay? We're going to take our hand to the right, now open up, and then we're going to come over our face, and then we close it, and then we go flash. That's when we open our fist back up. Now flash, and then we're going to do 1, 2. So I kind of just shrink up my hand just a little more, and I'm going to go 1, 2. So when I do that, my body actually also vibrates with it. So I go 1, 2. So again, from the top, we come here, flash, and 1, 2. Alrighty. So once we do the 1, 2, we're gonna step back with our right leg. Okay, so we're gonna step back like this, and now we're in a thinking position. Left hand down here, right hand on top. And then we're going to step back with the left leg, like so. So once you step right, now left, immediately we're going to do a really quick shift between your levels. And you're going to come here, a little bit down, and we're still in a thinking position facing to the left, and then we're going to look back, we're going to look front. Okay, so again, from the top, we come here, and flash, and 1, and come here, thinking, come down, now look. Alrighty, so after we do this look, we're going to do a small body wave. Roll up. I should say roll up, not body wave. So from here, we look back, roll up, and from here we're gonna go fire, all right? So when we do the fire, we rolled up, right? When we do the fire, we're gonna step back up front with our left leg, and then we're gonna go fire. So you're bringing the flame, come out, and you're gonna quickly diminish it and put it down, all right? So go fire. So be really soft and gentle with this movement. Comes up, and then you're gonna come down. Fire. So now the next move, everyone does a little bit different. I'm gonna do what the center guy does, okay? So we just did fire. From here, we're gonna come 1, 2 with our shoulders, right? Come 1, 2, we're gonna step with our left. So 1, 2, and here. Now we're going to throw our hand, left hand across, and then I'm going to bring the hand up to my shoulders, okay? Alrighty, back from the fire, we come up and down. Now, next move, hit 2 shoulders with our right, come 1, 2. Now step with your right foot in front. Now, swing your left arm across your body, okay? So now, my left arm thrown, and it's going to, my right hand is gonna rest on my shoulder, right shoulder, okay? So left hand on right shoulder. Now, from here, we're just going to do this huge, this huge spinny thing, okay? So you're going to take your right arm over left arm and bring it around. So it's just 1, 2, all right? 1, 2. So again, it's just like a 1, 2. Right arm leads, come up, left arm comes over, we meet, and we pull. Okay, so para, here. All right, again, we come hit 1 and come across. Now, we're gonna step with our right leg. That's when we start doing the little spinning motion. Come step, and then we're going to step back with our left leg, okay? And our left leg, we're just gonna bring back behind our right. Okay, let's start from the top so we can kind of review. This is a very dense dance, so take your time, please repeat if you need to. Well, let's start from the top, okay? We Iron Man, come here, and then we come flash, and 1, and come right, come left, head down, look back, here, now, fire, now hit twice, come across, now step and hit. Alrighty, good? You should be ending in this position. Alrighty, next move. So once I've done this, let's start with our right shoulder, right? We just did fire, come, right hit, over, now step, spin, and hit. Now, the next movement, we're going to come up, okay? So bring your hands together, come up, we're going to drop it down, okay? So come up, drop it down. Now, we're gonna hit like an X wave format, okay? So, yeah. Hit right first, then left and right. So it's right, left, right. Now the last right, the second right, we're gonna go 1, 2, and we're going to spin. This arm is going to take us counterclockwise, okay? Come around, and then we're going to be facing to the right, and we're gonna have our arms out like what? Okay, so again, we just did, let's do the shoulders. 1, 2, come across, now step. Now, okay, let's start from the shoulders, okay? Come shoulder, come across, now step, and hit, up, down, right, left, right, here. So once we come to the what, okay, we're gonna come, we just did the spin, what, right? And we're gonna go 1, 2, okay? So just really small, 1, 2, just try and not have your body move as if you're a robot, but in very small motions. It's hard for me too, I'm still working on it, but we're gonna come 1, 2. Now, we're gonna go another 1, 2. So we're going to do this motion, but we're gonna come 1, 2. All right, so come 1, 2, like tighten your muscles, come 1, 2, all righty? Like 1, 2, 1, 2, and we're gonna step back with our left, okay? So let's start from where we do this little spinning thing, okay? So like come step and hit, come up, down, right, left, right. Now come here immediately, come 1, 2, now 1, 2, and then we're going to bring our hands like so, okay? Because it's 1, 2, and then we come 1, 2, and then we're going to step back with our left, and then immediately we will go down. So take your right leg out, come down, and left knee like so, and we're leaning mostly on our left leg. So from here, we come pop, pop, and step back, come up, down. Okay, once we're in this downward position, okay, almost done with this tutorial. We're gonna come back up immediately, but since we're dragging the right foot, just keep lifting it up, and we're gonna act like it's almost like a little puppeteer, okay? So we're gonna right hand comes up, right hand comes up, right leg comes up as well. So I'll come up, and we go, it's like a 1 and 2 and, okay? So we kind of go right, left, right, and we're gonna bring our left hand back up, okay? So it's right, left, but the left part on the second one is gonna be very, very short. So from here, you come up, right, and left, and come here. Immediately come right, and left, and hit. So immediately after we come right, come left, and hit. We're going to do this 3 times where we push our hips back. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3. Just really small motions. 1, 2, 3. The fourth beat, we're going to throw our hands together again. Okay, so we're gonna throw. At the same time, we're gonna take our legs, put right in front of left, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4. Jump. It comes a little bit after the jump. Notice how it comes a bit after I throw my hands. Okay, so we come 1, 2, 3, 4. Step, and we're going to spin counterclockwise once again. And then that's when we will end the chorus. Okay, so let me just refresh that real quick before I do a full chorus review. If you guys need more time, please take some time to look back. This is a pretty dense chorus, so take your time. And if you need to, feel free to use the settings on YouTube so I can talk slower. Just click the little settings icon. You can do normal speed or faster speed if I'm talking too slow, or slow it down. Anyways, first, let's start from the spin, okay? From where we take our hands, okay? So we just did shoulder, come across, now step here, and hit, up, down, right, left, right, and 1, 2, 1, 2, come down, here, now, we're down here, one, and come up, left, right, left, and hit, 1, 2, 3, cross, jump, and spin. Okay, so I'm gonna do full review. Now, let's get to it. Okay, full review, hand across on the right, come up front, and flash, and 1 in, and thinking, come down, think, look back, look front, now come fire, now step, pa, pa, across, now spin, and hit, up, down, right, left, right, and hit, 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 hit. Now step back, come down from here. Ready, puppeteer? Come right, left, and 1, 2, 3. Cross, jump, and spin. And that is it. Good job, guys. End of the tutorial. Thank you so much for learning this tutorial with me. Hopefully I'll see you in the music section. If you guys post this on Instagram, make sure you tag me at Felicia.cover so I can watch your covers. Now that we are done, I'll see you guys in the music section. Bye!